We've been balancing our transaction register to a paper statement and then finally to an online banking statement. But here's a different scenario. What if I hadn't kept my transaction register up to date? I have no idea how off my guesses were about how much money I had to work with. There's no time like the present to get caught up, but you have to start somewhere. If your transaction register is blank or has large gaps in the data, there's still a way for you to get back on track. Start today by entering today's transactions. When you receive your bank statement, go ahead and do the procedures for balancing the check register. When you get to the end of the process, you won't be able to spot the mistakes because your data is incomplete. Simply make a balance adjustment transaction that equals the amount of the difference. Continue to enter your transactions each day and log into online banking frequently to check off the transactions that clear. If you don't have the transactions that are cleared each day in your register, enter them. By the time you get the statement at the end of the next month, you should be pretty well caught up. You may have to make a second balance adjustment at that time. If you continue to maintain your transaction register, you'll grow in your skill as a good manager of your household finances.